The collapse of Terra Luna and UST, Shiba and Saylor is still strong. One of today's significant stories is the complete collapse of Terra's Luna and UST. Terra's Luna plummeted below the $1 mark on the Binance platform on May 11th, reaching an intraday low of 70 cents. Welcome to Crypto Deep Dive, where we dive deep and discuss everything happening today around cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive in. Within a week, the struggling cryptocurrency has dropped 99%. Following the shocking decline, it is currently ranked behind Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash on CoinMarketCap, or you can say the top 10 coin is now a top 50 with merely 1 billion market cap. Despite the Luna Foundation Guard using all of its Bitcoin assets to support the algorithmic stablecoin, Terra's UST is trading around 40 cents, failing to regain its peg. Moreover, Do Kwon, the project's divisive founder, tweeted that he was close to revealing the UST recovery plan, but the price action indicates that investors have lost trust in Terra. Before the crash, UST was the third most popular stablecoin and only behind Tether and USD Coin. Such cryptocurrencies are intended to give peace of mind during stressful moments. However, Terra's separation from its dollar peg was thought to be one of the main reasons for the current sell-off, which spilled over into the larger cryptocurrency market. On the 11th of May 2022, the major coin market was in a slump. Bitcoin, along with Ethereum, is in the red. Meanwhile, Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano have all suffered double-digit losses. The fall of Terra is expected to be the market's most significant obstacle in the near future. If a major crypto market crash was not enough, the third largest stablecoin ecosystem has surely poured gasoline onto the flames. The LFG has been reaching out to investors in the hopes of obtaining funding to shore up the troubled stablecoin. According to people familiar with the matter, the LFG is aiming to raise more than $1 billion to collateralize the UST stablecoin. The move is unsurprising given that the stablecoin has decoupled from the US dollar, falling below 70 cents on 2 times this week. Kwon Do, the founder of Terraform Labs, has remained silent about the situation, and the investment has yet to be confirmed. As on the day of the crash, his most recent tweet was mysterious as he says lunatics to stay strong as they are getting close. This comes after a post a few hours before that stated close to announcing a recovery plan for UST. Hang tight. As on May 10th, the Luna team issued some explanations in response to the flood of misinformation that has inundated mainstream media. It said that there would be no death spiral if the UST market valuation exceeds that of Luna, the token that serves. It further noted that UST is supported by user on-chain activities and Terra economy demand, such as network economic activity and associated cash flow. The report noted peg regaining takes time given the parameters, but it bounces back. On the other hand, the Google Analytics dashboard shows that virtually the entire USD reserve amount was utilized to support the stablecoin. It has dropped from about $4 billion to roughly around $146 million where it is now. So that was all about the performance of UST and Luna. But now let us discuss what other altcoin founders have to say about the recent slump. Emin Gün Sirer, who is the founder of Avalanche and current CEO of Ava Labs, has voiced confidence about UST's future, noting that he is positive about the stablecoin after the dust settles. Mr. Gün Sirer discussed Terra USD in an interesting tweet, noting that even fully collateralized fiat stablecoins have depegged and some of the weak algo stablecoins have recovered. He also stated that the crypto and DeFi industries had just survived a significant bank run and that the space was extremely robust. He added, if this had happened in TradeFi, there would have been doom and bailouts galore. One thing is certain, the banker's bonus would still be paid. Mr. Gün Sirer stated that decentralized stablecoins were required since fiat-backed stablecoins were open to judicial confiscation and abduction. According to him, a decentralized economy requires a decentralized stablecoin that cannot be frozen or confiscated by authorities. Sirer warned that owing to legislative difficulties in the nation, US-based teams would be unable to establish an algorithmic stablecoin. According to this study, only Korean, Singaporean, and Swiss teams have the appropriate regulatory framework to build algorithmic stablecoins. What do the US Treasury officials have to say about UST depegging? Terra USD's troubles in the crypto markets in recent days have not gone unnoticed by US Treasury authorities. During a Senate hearing in Washington, D.C., U.S. Treasury Secretary Yellen highlighted the vulnerabilities of stablecoins such as UST. She indicated that she noted a stablecoin known as Terra USD underwent a run and dropped in value. She believes that this merely demonstrates that this is a quickly developing product with financial stability implications and that we want a framework. Let's talk about Shiba. Shiba Inu has recovered quicker than Dogecoin following the crypto crash, which is still in play. Both currencies plummeted heavily on Monday, along with the rest is yielding more returns than its meme opponent. Shiba Inu has gained around 5% in the past 24 hours as stated on the 11th of May, according to CoinMarketCap statistics, and is currently trading at 0.00001615 Dogecoin. On the other hand, it is currently trading at 10.9833 cents, up less than 1%. Shiba Inu may have merely fallen harder yesterday as a result of the broader market turmoil, and then rebounded a little harder as a result. Meme coins and tokens are notoriously volatile, with values swinging rapidly in either directions, even when it is only fractions of a penny. Shiba Inu has survived recent losses. It has dropped around 21% in the last week and 33% in the last 30 days. In comparison, Doge has lost almost 16% of its value in the previous week and 23% in the last month. In comparison, the main cryptocurrencies Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 55% and 52% respectively from their all-time highs, both established in November. On the other hand, Shiba Inu fell to a 7-month low yesterday amid the wider crypto market turmoil, while Dogecoin has fallen to its lowest level in more than a year since April 2021. In the midst of the recent crash, Microstrategy CEO Michael Saylor tweeted that the business will not sell its Bitcoin and that in addition to 115,109 Bitcoin, Microstrategy might pledge some additional collateral if necessary. Microstrategy CEO Michael Saylor took to Twitter on Tuesday morning to allay concerns that his business may face liquidation risks in its Bitcoin-backed loans if the price of Bitcoin continues to fall. Saylor explained MicroStrategy has a $205 million term loan and must keep $410 referring to his company's first quarter 2022 investor presentation. Although MicroStrategy holds 129,218 Bitcoin, 115,109 Bitcoin remain unencumbered and ready to be used as collateral if necessary. With a collateral requirement of $410 million in its loan, this quantity of Bitcoin would be sufficient to prevent a margin call provided the Bitcoin price remained over $3,562. However, Saylor stressed that even if that threshold were exceeded, the corporation would not sell. Thanks for watching the Crypto Deep Dive. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.